In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to do an ankle stability drill known as the 12 to 6. So this is a fantastic ankle stability drill to do post-rehab, whether it's ankle rehabilitation, post-surgery, or just post an injury. So what we're going to do is we're going to take both feet and point them forwards to start off with. I'm going to be using my right leg to do the exercise here. However, my left leg is the one that's going to be balancing me, okay? So I want you to imagine you're in a clock. I know it's a hard thing to think of, but you've got the 12 o'clock position in front of you, the 6 o'clock position behind you, and then obviously it's 12, 1, 2, 3, and so on. You're going to do repetitions coming forwards to the 12 o'clock position, then coming back, then to the 1 o'clock position, coming back, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, and so on. So how do we do it? I'm going to be taking this right leg. You'll notice a slight bend in my left leg here. That's my stabilizing leg. Right leg comes into 12 o'clock. Now what I want to do is, as I'm doing each of these repetitions, I'm always looking forwards. So my hips don't rock and move as I'm doing it. They're trying to stay stationary, just like my feet. Then I come into the next position, next position, next position, next position, next position, and finally the last position. So you would do that for the amount of desired repetitions and the amount of desired sets that you want to do, but that is how you would do a 12 to 6 ankle stability drill to work on your single leg balance. And of course, the leg that is not moving from position to position is the one that's balancing you.